Hey guys, the Darkinator back again, and this time we're going to be learning how to draw Ducky from Toy Story 4, which is going to be a lot of fun. He's pretty simple. He's simpler than Bunny is. So let's go hop into the drawing scene so we can start. Alrighty guys, so let's start by first me getting my pen, and we're going to focus on drawing Ducky's head, his head shape, and that's pretty easy because it's basically just a big oval with just some furry accents to it. So let's start. We're going to do the top part of the head first, just like this. And really wide sides of his cheeks, because that's like the widest part of his face. I'm going to add some defining kind of furry curls. Or feathery curls, but it looks like fur. And we're going to come down here and draw a long curved line, and then we're going to go back up to the top area, and oh man, there we go, drawing the other side of his cheek, and a little curl right there for some feather. I'm going to erase some of this because it's a little too sloppy, and I know it looks the lines look a little sloppy and they're not really balanced with the line weights, but it's okay because I'm just showing you how to draw them. Alright, so another signature feature about Ducky is he has like this little tuft of hair on top of his head, or a little curl, kind of. And so we're going to draw that, and it's like shaped like a blossom, okay? So let's try to draw like a blossomy shape. So I'm going to start with an outside curl here, and going up to the biggest, longest point of the curl. And then little sections. As I can, like this, and we're just going to add variety to the pieces of his parted piece of hair, or chunk of hair, whatever you want to call that, feather. I'm going to draw another chunk here because, you know, I'm going to add some variety to the dew, and then some thinner pieces as it gets down to the base again, just like that. And you know what? I think I'm really feeling drawing another thin piece right here to kind of balance it out to the other side. Just like that. Okay? Now it looks balanced. Now we're going to draw Ducky's eyes. And his eyes should only take up, like, that much space of his face. So, I don't know. We're going to draw his eyes kind of 3/4 the size of his face. But small. Okay? So let's start with a big-ish circle there, and I'm going to try to draw a similar size circle on the other side, so let's see how this goes. There we go. Kind of similar. It's kind of similar. And then Ducky he has like these big, super falsy looking lashes on the sides of his eyes, just like this. See? Looks good. Let's try to draw it similar to the other side, like that. Looks good so far. And now, let's draw the irises. Oh, that looks bad. That looks worse. There we go. Better. There's some of that line right there, and the pupils next. Trying to make the circles look like they're similar to the shape of the iris, so it looks uniform. You know what I mean? I'm gonna draw the other one. But you don't want to draw these pupils too small, because then the character would just look like super shocked or something, or evil looking. Now, let's draw Ducky's beak, which is positioned almost directly in the center between his eyes. Okay, so I'll show you. I'm going to start with the top part of the beak first, and then we're going to work on the sides, and then the lower portion of the beak like this, which is smaller than the top, but it still has the same width as the top part of the beak. And then we're going to draw his mouth kind of opened, so this. some type of tongue, because I know in the cartoon he doesn't really have a visible tongue in his mouth since he's a toy. So now let's draw his wings. And I'm just adding some variety between the feathers to make it look like he has sectioned feathers. And we'll draw the other one. And I'm kind of going to be shaping these kind of like fingers. Like his wings have sections of what would be fingers. And then we're going to draw his legs, like so. And his feet. So I'm going to draw this centerpiece right here so I have a better idea how I'm going to put these feet. I want to draw the left one because I always draw the left portion of the subject better than I do the right side, because the right side is my weak side to draw, because, you know, I'm drawing with my right hand. But let's draw the other toe. Other toe there. And he has really wide feet, really wide and thick. And then we're going to add some kind of separating line right here to show that it's like the skin part of a duck's foot. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. And let's draw the other foot. So I'm going to draw this foot from the front. This middle foot, or middle toe, is going to be shaped as if you're looking at it from the front, and the toes on the sides are going to be like you're going to see the whole length of the toe. Alright, so let's draw the same thing to separate skin from feather. And there you have it, a really simplified Ducky from Toy Story 4. And that concludes the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. If you didn't find this drawing video helpful, be sure to go to DrawingHUB.com, where you get the step-by-step drawing tutorial video, which is provided in the description below. So be sure to check that out. It's awesome stuff. You can learn how to draw pretty much anything, like Fortnite characters and pop culture characters. I also draw live right here on YouTube and also on Twitch TV on the weekdays from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Usually, though, I'm streaming around 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to watch awesome art being drawn, hit me up on the YouTube live stream. Thanks so much for viewing, guys, and I hope you stay tuned for other videos.